We will continue to do this in Delhi now every year. Today, we have a very good speaker lineup for you. We start off with a keynote speaker address by Mr. Sandeep Tandon, who's the Chief Executive Officer of Quant Capital. Then we have a very senior dignitary, Mr. Kirit Parekh, who will be talking on the economic trends which will be emerging in the next few years. We have very, very interesting panel discussions on alternative investments, succession planning, and investment risk and returns. Last but not the least, the day will provide you a terrific opportunity to network with like-minded people, family office representatives, clients, as well as financial services professionals. Now, why family offices? I've been fortunate enough to be on the other side of financial services domain, specifically from the education side. So I've seen this financial services sector growing really well in the last 10 years. My background, I am from the education side. I've already, for the last 8 years, been into financial education. And I've seen this financial advisory category, separating from a financial planning, then getting into wealth management, private banking, and now obviously private banking or family offices is something which has now started to come up in India. Family offices, when we talk about this concept, actually started in Europe, but it took its root in US. And US today accounts for more than 4,000 family offices, which is more than half of the world. We at AIWMI are fortunate to have associated with Family Office Group, which is based out of US, which is supposed to be the biggest group for family office professionals. A short introduction on AIWMI, because I'm meeting most of you for the first time. We are an affiliate of a body called Association of International Wealth Management, which is based out of Zurich. What we do is we offer international advanced programs on for financial professionals. And our mandate is not only to create or enhance professional standards in financial services for professionals, but also to create better standards of financial literacy among private clients. So here we are with our second edition. We're running late, so I'll not take much time. I would like to quickly introduce my first speaker for the day, Mr. Sandeep Tandon. Mr. Tandon is the Managing Director and CEO of Quant Capital. He's consistently demonstrated his leadership qualities in his 18 years of experience in the financial services industry. He deserves credit for pioneering derivatives in India and being instrumental in successfully setting up an equity derivatives desk at leading brokerage houses. His previous stints include companies like Kotak Securities, ICICI Securities, and IDBI AMC. Mr. Sandeep has also earlier worked with a research wing of Economic Times. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to now invite Mr. Sandeep Tandon. Sandeep, can you please have you on stage?